Okay, hello, how are you? This is an unboxing for the Sweet Valentine's Caddy Swap, I believe is what Anna has it as, and it's a Memory Dex Obsessed swap. Her patron swap, I believe. Did we do it? No, I think this was an open invitation, this one. So it's a cute little basket. We made baskets. And let's see, there were so many requirements, it was kind of a pick and choose. If you wanted to make a dangle, or you could send die cuts or some, I think, wrapped beads. We had to do so many bows and rosettes, and of course make the caddy. And oh my gosh, I'm super excited to open this one. I hope you guys have been keeping up and checking out all of the swappy action that's been going on. I just recently did a swap with Anna and Betsy, and we did a Tussie swap. So if you would check out my videos of my unboxing for those two, thank you. Okay. Oh my gosh, whose do we have here? Okay, I'm gonna pause real quick and then I will get it out. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? OMG, this is adorable. Here is a little rosette here. This came out of one of the pockets, but oh my gosh, so let's take a look. She even added a little, I'm not sure who this one is from yet. She added a little shaker and a cute heart clippy. And here's some bows. And she has it so jam-packed that everything's popping out. It's so cute. Oh, look. Oh, how cute. Here's the sequence mix. Adorable. And then there's a dangle in there. And I love the flowers. Oh my gosh, who made this one? And there's supposed to be a memory dex. The basket is adorable. Here is this bow. And, ooh, Lindor chocolates. Thank you. And here are these rosettes. Gorgeous. Oh, and then here is this bow. And then here's the die cuts. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a chocolate bar. I just got that die. So cute. Open this up. I'm still not sure who this one is from. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Wow. Adorable. And then even the little, aw, super cute. And then there's a love. Oh, I love chocolate. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. Thank you. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, look at her memory dex. Who is this one from? Oh, Crafty Nat Armstrong. How cute. Natalie, oh my gosh, this is adorable. So let's open this up and get a good look at it. How cute. she's added the donut, the coffee drink milkshake, or whatever you want to think of it as. I say it's a strawberry and chocolate milkshake, possibly. Look at that, how cute. And I love that XOXO. Oh my gosh, and the tiny little bow, super cute. Oh my gosh, adorable, super cute. Love it. That is adorable. Here's another rosette. Oh my gosh, did you put a pair of socks in here? Oh, and then here's the hanging element. Beautiful. Adorable. And I love the little paper clip. Super cute. And then there's a pair of socks. Oh my gosh. How cute. Look at the little s'more. Oh, those are so cute. Thank you. And then here is the adorable basket with all of the clippies. Wow, thank you. I mean, paper clips. Super cute. Love it. Okay, I'm going to put everything back, and then I'm going to get the other basket out. Okay, and then here we have this one here. What a cute bag. What a cute bag. Adorable. The last one, it was Crafty Nat Armstrong. And oh my gosh, this is a Hello Kitty? What? Oh my goodness. I mean, I wanted to be surprised, and I turned on the videos and turned the volume down, and like oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, how do I get in here? I hope everybody's doing well. What swaps have you been doing? I have been getting back into the groove of things. I don't know what I did. I twisted my back. I woke up one day just in severe pain. I guess it's been about 4 or 5 days now. So I'm finally back to getting all of this done. Oh, Tammy. Hello, Tammy 911. So I hope you guys have found everybody's YouTubes and been following. I love this cute tag that she used to tie the bag together, and then here's hers. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. This little shaker just popped out. Oh my gosh, Tammy. That is adorable. Oh, how cute. I love the paper you chose. It was Valentines or Sweet Treats was the theme. I love it. Aww. Super cute. Here she has these bows. Oh my goodness, girl. Wow. And she sewed ribbon, and super cute. I love the rosette die that you used for the background of Miss Kitty there. Cute. And then in this little pocket are some die cuts. Oh, I like your pocket a lot. Oh my gosh. And she sent a cute little library card. I love that with the library pocket. Cute collection, Tammy. And then here's the die cuts. All besties. Yay. Cute. super cute dies. Oops. Oh my word. There we go. You and me. Bestie. Love. XOXO. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Oh wow. Fabulous. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much, Miss Tammy. There we go. And then, oh my goodness. What do you have? Oh, embellishments. Oh, yay. She made this one. And then all of the goodies we can use to embellish, because they're mine. They're all mine. I get to embellish these some more, but oh my gosh. This one I don't think I will do anymore. You've got, oh, that's perfect. I love how that looks. Super cute to pop on top of a rosette. Oh my gosh, what in the world have you got going on in here? How cute. Here's her dangle. Oh, wait. Here's one more. Oh, here it is. How cute. The scrap, look, I think it's a Scrap Diva die, and she has used it to put the sequence mix in. Yay. I got one. I got some new dies I'm going to use with the clipboard swap that we're going to be doing coming up here. Oh, thank you. Oh, awesome idea. Milano cookies, thank you. I must hide those from hubby. No, I'll share. I feel guilty. Oh, wow. I love this tag. Yum. And oh my gosh, look at the little ice cream cone. How cute. And I love your dangle, your tassel. Super cute beaded tassel. And this is how she has her bows. I love it. Very cute. Perfect for many, many different collections. And here's these rosettes. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, what's in here? Oh, how cute. What? That is just, oh my gosh. Tammy, I'm speechless. This is just, oh my gosh. How cute. Oh my, this is just too sweet. What? And she has the ice cream shaker in here. Oh, I love what you did. Fantastic. Love it. And this is, like, you know, the scrap Septeria 18 style pocket, or I don't know. I love it. I love these. And you did beautiful sewing. I gotta get my sewing machine back uncovered and start using it again. This is just so cute, Tammy. Oh my gosh, you guys, get a good look. So cute. And here's her. Oh. Oh my gosh. That is just too cute. Wow, Tammy. You're very creative. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to get my new crafty space all set up, and I will take lots of pictures and get all of these awesome pieces of my different memory dexes that I've received over my, you know, the last year from swapping, and the baskets. And oh my gosh, I love this. And it's a shaker. Oh, Wowzers. How in the world do you get the foam to behave so well for you? Oh my gosh. I end up with so much glue everywhere. Oh, wow. Take a good look. These ladies are very talented, so make sure you are following along on Anna's YouTube channel, Anna's Wonderland. And you can see everyone's swaps, and this is just amazing. Oh my gosh, look at the little bow barrette. Wowzers. Absolutely fabulous. Oh my gosh. And she's even got the little doily back here. Oh, wow, Tammy. And look at the little Hello Kitty gumball machine. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, I love the paper collection you went with. And take a good look at the beautiful ribbon sewing. And she sewed the ribbon on the handles there. It's just so gorgeous. Wowzers, Tammy. So cute. Thank you, Anna, for another fun swap. And for all of the fun stuff that we do in the Patreon. And you guys, don't forget, besides that, Anna has the Lace Boutique 1 Facebook group. It is her project sharing group. So if you would like to come and show your projects, and she has some freebies that we have. She has some prompts that we have been working on. And if you would like to come on over and check out the group, I would really appreciate it. And I know that she would love to see what you are working on, and everyone else. We like to inspire each other, and I particularly enjoy being inspired by everything that you all make, and these swaps have been a lot of fun. And it's time to step up the game and get the dies out and start having some fun. We've got February is coming to an end. You know, we are well into the middle of February, so I hope that you guys have gotten your swaps out and have received your swaps and posting pics. Can't wait to see what everybody's been doing and your YouTube. So I will see you next time. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and these are my new treasures that I got. Thank you, Crafty Nat Armstrong and Tammy, who is Tammy911 on Instagram and YouTube. Make sure I show her information again. Hello, Tammy. There we go. And Crafty Nat Armstrong. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Anna, for another fun swap. Thank you, ladies, for swapping with me. And thank you, everyone, for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye.